Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can make someone in your GitHub repository a project admin in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your project inside your repository on GitHub. And what you want to do is, well, that repository is empty. So let me go with a different one. So what you want to do, guys, is access the given project, and after that also its settings. To do that, what you want to do is click into these three dots in the top right, select settings, and inside your project settings, navigate to the manage access tab to the left. Here we'll see all collaborators that are participating in your project. So go through that list. Currently I'm the only user here, but let's assume you have multiple of these collaborators here. Simply click into the drop-down menu and assign an admin role to the given user. Of course, you'll need to be the admin and owner of the project and repository yourself to do that. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.